Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Hope I've been getting back to them to the best of my knowledge. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power Exhale. You can do this in the oven, on the stove, but today I'm doing it in the Power Exhale. Today it'll be very easy and very simple. We all get up in the morning time want something nice and good and sweet without coffee and everything. Sometimes we don't want to run to the donut shop and everything. So today Mr. Bell gonna make some sweet biscuits today. My ingredients is I'll be eyeballing some butter. I'll be using a half a cup of sugar in these biscuits. But these biscuits going to be called Mr. Bell's Sweet Biscuits. I'll be using this in the Power Exhale. So I'm going to get everything together and Mr. Bell will be right back. Okay, so I melted my butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my sugar in this butter, just like that. And I'm just going to take this whiz and just mix it all up so it'll be nice and good. I'm just going to mix it up nice, good, and everything. There, you see it's coming out good. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to put some holes in the biscuit so this could just go all in. Just like this. So it'll be all in. And you know Miss Bell like to take you step by step. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my pan and sit it in and everything. Put it in here, just like this. And also I have some homemade biscuits that me and one of my daughters we made. If you look at the video, these right here are the ones out the can, so these gonna be a little different. And put them in just like that. As you see there, and they're nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour this all over, just like this. That way it gets in the holes and everything. And we hope this come out very delicious. Pour it like this. Not gonna pour too much. So as you see, it's nice and good. So I'm gonna flip them over. Let the back side get it too. Just like that, as you see. And then I'm just gonna put some holes in this side too. Just like that. And it cover up everything. So I'm gonna raise it up. And I'm gonna put it in. Also, on this right here, I'm going to use the preheat, so I'm not going to use that many minutes. Put it on bake for 350. Put that and put it on for 35 minutes. And I'm going to press start. As you see, it's preheating. I'm not going to use all the 35 minutes because it's preheating and it's going to be cooking while it's preheating. You can put it in while it's preheating. So what we're going to do now, it's just been a couple minutes and everything. We're going to take a sneak peek at it and see what it looked like. See what Mr. Bell doing in here. It look like it's coming out pretty good and everything. As you see, it's getting a little brown and everything. I'm going to put the top back down. Okay, we're going to take another look at it and see how they're coming out while it's on preheat and everything. As you see, they look like they're coming out pretty nice and everything. So we're just going to let it cook a little bit more. Put that top down and that bell will stop ringing. Okay, we're going to look at it again, and it's still on preheat. These biscuits right here, they just about done. They are done. We're going to let the inside cook just about a few more minutes, and we're going to take them out. Okay, they are done. We're going to take them out and everything. So as you see, it haven't used all the minutes and it still was on preheat. So what I'm going to do altogether is just been about 4 minutes. So I'm going to put this down and I'm going to cut it off and put it in the plate. Okay, these right here are your sweet biscuits right here. We're going to look at it and see how they come out. The bottom going to be a little, from the sugar, it's still going to be a little soft and everything. But I'm going to take a bite of it and see how it come out. It tastes good and everything. This is your sweet biscuits made in the Power XL, or you can do it in the oven. Thank you for watching. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you like to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ching! Hit that subscribe button. And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Mr. Belle have a lot of recipes out there. Just scroll through and see what you want to see. Thank you.